Hello, everyone. So, this is my presentation on Lesotho. It's spelled Lesotho, but it's pronounced Lesotho. This is a assignment that I've asked my students to do on a place or a country, anywhere they've chosen. And then they make these handy-dandy cool signs. Anyways, this is Lesotho. Lesotho is actually a country in the middle of South Africa. So it's a country within a country. There's only actually three of these in the world. So one's the Vatican, and another one is somewhere in the middle of Italy. So it's kind of a unique country. And all right, so Lesotho was initially established as a kind of a police camp. It is right on the border with South Africa. It's actually a British colony, but I'll get to that in another one. The capital is over 300,000 people, and it is called Masuru. Right. All right. Lesotho was a British colony and British rule for almost 100 years, 1869 to 1966, and then it was formally independent of the British colony, although they still have British influence because it was not long ago. It is 2020 right now. Lesotho in Africa is actually very, very mountainous. They have a ski hill. Lesotho is actually quite high in elevation, the highest on average country elevation-wise in Africa, and they often wear these kind of parkas. Can't remember what they're called, but they are wearing warm clothes quite often. Yeah, there is a king, a constitutional king, in similar to what there is in other British colonies. But this is not a British king. This is a Lesotho king. So right now it is this guy here, Moshushu II. Oh, sorry, his father was Moshushu II. He is Letsi the Third. And yeah, so they have that. He doesn't have any actual ruling power, even though there is kind of tribal leaders inside the democracy that have seats and whatnot, but that's another story. Anyways, 339 bird species found in Lesotho, so very pretty, lots of birds around. Oh, oh boy. Here we go. Okay, this is one of the most dangerous airstrips in the world, or scariest. I don't know about dangerous, but Matakane airstrip, which is kind of cool. I would go off it. The fifth largest diamond was found here. Okay, diamond mining is big in Lesotho, um, hence why probably colonialism kind of jumped in there. Anyways, this one's huge, worth over $40 million US. Okay, this is interesting. The king owns 100% of the land, and they do this because they say it encourages people to cooperate on land use and cultivation. So that's interesting. The land. He is one of the, I believe he's the ninth largest landowner in the world. It's crazy. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed this presentation.